Want to know where you can connect, learn, and play? At ATD 2025, the expo floor is more than just booths. It's your launchpad to the future of L&D. You won't just connect with industry leaders, you'll spark new ideas, get your hands on the latest tools and tech, and learn how to future-proof your skills and your learning strategies. Experience live demos from some of the biggest names in the learning industry, presentations on 6 learning stages, and wait for it, a puppy park. Yep, you heard me, because snuggling puppies makes everything better, am I right? And once you've updated your headshot or visited ATD Central, why not relax and make conference history at ATD at Play? This year, unleash your imagination and create art that'll be digitized and immortalized on our mosaic wall. Plus, give back to the community and celebrate organizations making an impact in the field through TD for Good. Now that you know, how will you experience the expo floor at ATD 2025? Register now to secure your spot at the Talent Development event of the year. The future of talent development starts with you.